What's up guys, Trail here, better known as Budget Bill, and today we are going to be talking about the #1 best credit card to receive free travel, hands down. Now you probably already know, but yes, this is a credit card by Chase, and it is called the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. And the reason this card is so special is because it has earned a reputation of being one of the best travel credit cards out there, if not the #1 card in my opinion. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. But before we get started, let's go ahead. If you like the content that we bring you on this channel, please hit the thumbs up, or in other words, click on the like button down below, as it definitely helps out with the growth of this channel. And I would appreciate it. So yes, this card is definitely the #1 credit card for your travel purchases, but also it is definitely a great card for your everyday spending. And the main reason this credit card is the best travel credit card out there is because of the amazing sign-up bonus or welcome bonus that they offer, in which you can receive 60,000 points or rewards points after you spend $4,000 within the first 90 days. Now the reason that is special is because 60,000 points basically equates to $600 of statement credit. So after you've spent your minimum requirement, they are willing to give you $600 back credit towards your credit card. In addition, if you are wanting travel from using this credit card, then it is worth up to $750. Then you can use Chase Travel Portal on Chase's website in order to purchase your travel, and you will receive a 25% bonus, in which it's basically worth $750 in travel rewards. Now, if you want to go a step further, you can also transfer to one of Chase's partners, and I'll go ahead and list them right here, but you can transfer them to one of Chase's partners. You can receive a 2-to-1 value, in which this credit card can actually give you a value of travel up to $1,200. Now, if you are new to using the credit card system and you don't have this credit card, this is definitely one of the first credit cards you need to have in your wallet, hands down. However, if you are not new to this and you don't have it in your wallet, then you are losing out on a great benefit, in which you need to go ahead and apply for this card today. Now, the previous welcome bonus used to be 50,000 points, but they've recently changed it to 60,000 points, but they've added an annual fee of $95. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably saying, why would I want a credit card that's going to charge me $95 per year? But the reason is because the value of this credit card, as I mentioned, if you use it for a statement credit, that is $600. So basically you can have this credit card for up to 6 years and use that $600 credit statement back to your credit card, and this card will cost you $0. But obviously what we're teaching you on this channel and teaching you about this credit card is the better value is if you use the rewards points for your travel purchases, in which you can travel $750 worth. Now, what you can do after the first year, go ahead and complete perhaps 10 or 11 months on your second year, and then you have some other options, such as you can either downgrade the credit card to perhaps the Chase Freedom or the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, and those cards offer you a $0 annual fee, and you still get to keep all of your reward points that you acquired on this credit card. Now, if you don't want to do that and you're really liking the Chase cards and the benefits that they offer, you can actually upgrade to perhaps either the Chase Reserve credit card, but that card has a $450 annual fee. So I definitely think this is a great card as a starter card if you're not into this game of using the points for travel or getting cash back by receiving the large welcome bonuses. This is definitely a card that you want to try out. And if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and put a link down below. You can click on that link, and it actually helps and supports this channel. So we definitely appreciate it if you use the link to apply for this credit card. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this card does require a $4,000 minimum spend within the first 90 days. And so for those of you that are a little skeptical on whether you can actually meet that $4,000 spending within the 3 months or 90 days, I have a few options for you that could definitely assist you with that. Number one, you could potentially pay your rent using your credit card. You can pay your tuition. You can also pay your student loans, or perhaps just paying your normal bills that you have currently, such as your water bill or your electric bill or car insurance, or if you own a home, then you pay the insurance on your property. Also, if you still need help, you can also try the website called Plastiq.com, and that site allows you to use your credit card to pay anyone out there by signing up for it. And I'll also put a link down below. You can sign up for Plastiq.com and you can set up to send payments to anyone that you want. So you can send it to your mortgage or other people that you may owe. However, this option does charge a 2.5%. And if that doesn't cut it and you still need other ways of reaching your spending requirement, you can also go to your local CVS, Walgreens, or grocery stores and you can purchase $500 gift cards, and that you can purchase them right now and you can use them after your 90 days is up on your normal spending that you use on a daily basis. But this way it helps out with you meeting your $4,000 minimum spending requirement, and so you can receive this large welcome bonus. In addition, this credit card does not have any foreign transaction fees for all of your international purchases. Also, this credit card earns 2 times the points on all of your dining and travel expenses. In addition, if you purchase any type of electronics or other products similar to that, you will receive an additional extended warranty by purchasing with this credit card for an extended 1 year on your product. So that's definitely an extra benefit that you will receive from having this card. Also, this card does come with a travel cancellation or travel interruption perk, in which it covers you up to $10,000 for any reason that you may have to cancel your travel trip if you've purchased your travel arrangements using this credit card. Also, this card comes with an extra purchase protection of up to 120 days in addition after you've purchased an item. So if you do purchase something and you have issues with it, if the actual company that you purchased it from, such as Apple or Walmart, doesn't cover you for that product within the first 120 days, your credit card will take over and help out with the situation. So as I was saying, this is definitely the #1 best credit card for free travel out there, hands down, in my opinion. So I definitely recommend this. This is something that you need to have in your wallet, at least initially. Later you can actually downgrade the card if you wish. And the reason why you need to apply for this card first, if you are just getting started, is because Chase has a rule in place which is called the 524, and that is if you have applied for more than 5 credit cards within 24 months, Chase will automatically decline you for any credit cards. That means you need to apply for your Chase credit cards first so you can get them out the way, and then you can actually start applying for other types of credit cards. So if you like the content in this video, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button down below. It definitely helps out with the growth of this channel. In addition, if you have not already, click on the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell right next to it, so you can be instantly notified every time I upload new content to the channel. As always, I appreciate you guys coming and watching this video, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.